loyalty, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. There are a lot of values in the military that are parallel with what we do here.
That sense of duty, that sense of serving, and those can be felt here.
When I came to Thrasher, it was kind of mind-blowing to know the things that we can do. I'm a service technician at Thrasher, have been for 6 years. I was a specialist in the Army Reserves as a 55 Bravo, which is an ammunition specialist. And you have a sense of pride when you put on your uniform, knowing that you're working for a company that has the reputation that we have.
In the Marine Corps, they foster a real sense of brotherhood amongst your unit, and that can really be felt here. Thrasher shows a great commitment to their employees, and you really feel that every day when you come in. That's hard to find.
I joined the Army to serve my country, and since I've been out, it was hard to find those companies that still allowed me to have that sense of community of service. And since joining Thrasher, I've definitely found that home.
I don't think there's a lot of companies out there like us.